We're now at the second last level, level 9. And we're introduced to a new code block, which is if else. Basically, if this is true, it does the code in here. But if this one is not true, that means there's no path ahead, for example, then it will do whatever is in this else condition, like else block. All right, so that's basically it. But let's ignore this first. Let's focus on the maze. All right, so once again, imagine you're this person. This time there's not only one route, there's like multiple like routes there now. So if I was this guy, right, I would move forward, turn left, go up, which is move forward again, and then I will turn left. And then what I want to do is just move forward all the way to the end, right? So yeah, it's actually pretty simple, like the path that you want to take. Okay, so how do you turn it into code? All right, let's try to repeat until and move forward. Okay, let's just do that first. Let me run it. Of course, we'll get stuck. All right, so we want to turn left, correct? So, this thing, let's drag it here. So if there's a path to the left, maybe, if there's a path to the left, we'll turn left. Okay, how's that sound? Okay, as you can see, we'll get a problem right here. All right, so here's the thing. Every time we move forward, it will constantly check whether or not there's a path to the left. So this is okay here, but when it reaches this part, we would prefer this guy to move forward instead of turning left, because if you turn here, then you need to turn right, which is fine. I mean, there's another solution if you want to do that. But in our case, we want to go like this, right? So how do we make it so that we only want to go forward and not turn left instead? We can use this one, all right? So if there's a path ahead, we're going to move forward, okay? And then let's just try it. All right, we're gonna move forward. All right, now you see it's spamming this, right? It's because it's trying to do whatever is in this part, which of course we have nothing. So in this case, we only want to turn left. All right, so let's just add this and let's see what happens. Turn left, see? It keeps moving forward. When it reaches here, it moves forward. All right, you see, now it works. Alright, before we move on to the last level, let me ask you guys a question. What would happen if instead of if path ahead do move forward and else turn left, what if we reverse it? We turn to the left and we move it the other way around. Would the code still work? I want you guys to think about it logically in your head. Would this work? You can pause the video to think about it, but I will play the code. As you can see, it doesn't work, all right? So my main point is the priority of your code matters, all right? You should think which one is the most important. Going forward, turning left, or turning right. In this specific level, moving forward is more important than turning left, which is why this one would work, because it checks whether or not it can move forward first, right? And if there's actually no path ahead of you, only then it will be forced to turn left, which is why this works.